Nucleotide or nucleoside phosphate is formed by the attachment of phosphate to 5' position of a nucleoside by an ester linkage. So what is a nucleoside? Nucleoside is formed by the attachment of nitrogen base and pentose sugar. So here is the nitrogen base. Here the nitrogenous base is adenine. Adenine forming a bond with pentose sugar, and this bond will be formed between N9 of nitrogenous base and C1 of pentose sugar, and this is the formation of nucleoside. Now this nucleoside, when it is forming a bond with the phosphate group, then it is known as a nucleotide. Now where is the bond formation happens? The bond is formed between C5 of pentose sugar in the nucleoside and phosphate group. So here you know that C5 of this pentose sugar is having one hydroxyl group. Between this hydroxyl group and OH group of phosphate, there will be a bond formed, and one water molecule will be removed, as in the case of glycosidic bond formation in nucleoside. Here also one water molecule will be removed. So this is also a condensation reaction, and this bond is known as ester bond. And the molecule formed is known as nucleotide. This is nucleotide. And this nucleotide is the monomer of our nucleic acid. This is the monomer of our DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. Deoxyribonucleic acid is a polymer of nucleotides. So this is one nucleotide. This is formed by the bond formation, glycosidic bond between nitrogenous base, this is adenine, and here is deoxyribose pentose sugar, and here is phosphate group. So nucleotide is formed of 3 molecules. One is nitrogenous base, then the second one is pentose sugar, and the third is phosphate group. Now the bond formed between nitrogenous base and the pentose sugar is glycosidic bond, whereas the bond formed between pentose sugar and phosphate is ester bond.